Hello, I am Anas. My school's name is Zilla Parishad Urdu School, Makarani Fali, Taluka Kalkwa, Zilla Nandurbar. My class teacher's name is Fahim Akhtar Sheikh Sikandar. Today we will learn singular and plural. Bag, bags, boy, boys, ball, balls, book, books, cat, cats, cup, cups, car, cars, cow, cows, clock, clocks, chair, chairs, day, days, dog, dogs, fan, fans, friend, friends, finger, fingers, girl, girls, head, heads, hand, hands, hook, hooks, key, keys, kite, kites, map, maps, pen, pens, plant, plants, parrot, parrots, school, schools, sock, socks, tree, trees, thing, things, apple, apples.